Lasfit LSplus series is the upgraded version based on LS series. It still is the brightest series. Compared with LS series, LSplus series has a great improvement in appearance, output lighting efficiency, cooling system and durability. What is unique about the LSplus series? The output lighting efficiency of OEM halogen bulb is 1 watt, produces 16 to 24 lumens, the temperature color is 3000 K yellow light. The conventional LED bulbs on the market, the ratio is 1 watt, produces 70 to 80 lumens, 6000 K white color, much brighter and clearer than halogen bulbs. About Lasfit LSplus, LED technology is greatly improved based on the conventional LED bulbs. 1 watt could produce more than 100 lumens. That means LSplus series LED is low power consumption, higher lighting efficiency. This LED bulb is used 2 pieces of 0.8 mm copper substrates and 2 mm copper pipe for better heat conduction and cooling. A heat conduction efficiency of this LED is increased by 2 to 3 times than traditional copper substrates. It transfers heat rapidly, cooperate with radiator and fan to take away heat, and maintain high luminous efficiency. Also, it reduces the risk of light decay and dead light. The diameter of LSplus series is 40 mm, bigger than other commom LED bulbs on the market. The big size body is designed for enlarging the radiating surface, and the big cooling fan accelerates the heat dissipation. The more efficient cooling system, the better heat dissipation, the better performance, the longer lifespan. The copper pipe could dissipate the heat rapidly generates from the LED chips, and cool down the temperature around the LED chips, which guarantee the lighting efficiency of LED chips and improved the stability. Please pay attention to the bottom width. If your OEM headlight housing is not big enough to hold it, you can choose other series.